Hello and welcome to another quick update about Mana. We're currently recovering, and after that drop that we had, we've really seen an impressive recovery. I did buy Mana this morning, basically after I woke up at around 360, and now we're up already quite a bit. I don't expect that to last, to be honest. So we've already moved up 50% from the lowest point today. But I don't expect that to last. I mean, it is like the last major drop that we had for Bitcoin, that the metaverse cryptos have really recovered very quickly. Still, there are a few things that make me skeptical. The first one is that Bitcoin, I expect now a further drop, because Bitcoin has dropped below a key level at 53K. And even if Bitcoin reclaims that level, the whole bullish structure is now broken. So I would expect a further downside potential for Bitcoin, and that will exactly happen in my view when most people get too bullish again, and that will have an impact on the metaverse cryptos as well. So with this one here as well, I would expect at least another drop down. I did give you the key support levels in the previous video today. I think we could come down, possibly here to 245. That's a key support level, 245. Or even here 220, we had key support there. I think these for Mana would be realistic levels in another drop. We're now coming back already here to a key resistance level at 420. These previous, or 430, I guess, more closely. These are these levels here where we had these lows. And yeah, if we get above that, I mean, then we're pretty much back in the structure we were already. And this is in line currently with what I expect for Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, I expect another move up, and this is happening now with Mana as well, but possibly another lower high here. So at some point below the 520 level, I think we are going to stop and then come down further. So what I currently think is, if we take a look here from there, how much is that retracement that we're currently having? We can come down here to 429. That's also exactly, you can see the 0.618 fib level here at 429 up there. This is why we are currently facing here some resistance. It's a key fib level. From that move down, the retracement, and we could possibly get to 468 as well. That's the next fib level, and maybe even to 492. So these are the key levels where I would expect resistance before we then carry on further down. That's what I primarily expect. I mean, I could be wrong, but in line with I expect for the entire crypto market now, because everything follows Bitcoin at the moment, or at least most of them. I would see Mana dropping at least once more before we then continue to go up. And another reason why I still expect Mana to drop once more is because we are still overbought here on the weekly. I did expect a major drop for the gaming cryptos. I did talk about that, reminded everybody of profit taking. But we are just still overbought on the weekly. And you can see here on the weekly, we have a lot of scope before we actually hit the 50 line. So there is quite a bit that we could see in terms of price reduction before we then build new support levels, and a new structure that will take us to new all-time highs. And overall, I can see Mana at $10, $15, or even $20. I don't think that is anything unrealistic, and maybe even 25 or 30. All of that would be possible, also based on the market cap, considering that if Mana, for example, gets to $25, the market cap of other cryptos will have gone up as well. Thereby, doesn't it make very, very unrealistic that Mana could really reach these price levels? So that's just my current view on Mana. Just want to give you an update. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.